Start. While finding merits in the submission made by the counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioners, a division bench comprising of observed that the Goa police hurriedly registered the FIR without perusing the complaint or the provisions of section 295B of IPC. Full stop. In view of the said observation, the bench opined that such a conduct by police authorities was an unwarranted assault on creativity and freedom of speech and expression itself. Full stop. Para. According to us, there was no justification whatsoever for the police inspector to hurriedly register such an FIR, possibly without even going into the complaint or for that matter the provisions of section 295A of the IPC. The police authorities are expected to be quite sensitive in such matters, because, what is at stake is the freedom of speech and expression. Therefore, unless the complaint discloses the ingredients of the offences under section 295A of IPC, it is not expected of the police authorities to rush and register an FIR in such cases. In any case, there was no justification whatsoever to call some of the petitioners to the police station and require them to apologize or to arrest some of the petitioners no sooner the FIR was registered. Para. The criminal machinery ought not to have been set into motion based upon such a complaint. This was indeed the abuse of the process before it is apparent that the police authorities have not even taken cognizance of the legal position explaining the scope of section 295A of IPC by the Constitution bench of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Ramji Lal Mode case. In the present case, the respondent has precisely chosen to take a sentence here and a sentence there, or rather a word here and a word there, and no such basis filed a vague complaint which does not even spell out the basic ingredients of section 295A of IPC. Besides, the police authorities have completely ignored the dictum of the Honorable Supreme Court, which provides that the effect of the words must be judged from the standards of reasonable, strong-minded, firm and courageous men, and not those of weak and vacillating minds, nor of those who scent danger in every hostile point of view. Para. No arrest can be made on a mere allegation of commission of an offence made against a person. It would be prudent for a police officer, in the interest of protection of the constitutional rights of a citizen and perhaps in his own interest, that no arrest should be made without a reasonable satisfaction reached after some investigation as to the genuineness and bona fides of a complaint, and a reasonable belief both as to the person's complicity and even to the need to effect and arrest. Stop. Denying a person of his liberty is a serious matter. Please stop. The recommendations of the police commission merely reflect the constitutional